About 2 years ago, I was surfing the web and I came across a free version of Minecraft Pocket Edition version 0.15.0, and there was no way I was going to pass that up. After playing it on a PC for a while, I thought I'd try it on my phone. The problem with using the phone was that it was too hard for my poor old eyes to see. So I wanted a way to use the phone on the TV, still have the feel of using a PC, and not spend a lot of money. This is something I've been wanting to do for 4 or 5 years, but really didn't have the motivation to do it. Well, I finally broke down and decided to give this thing a go. Now, I don't have a tripod, or 3 arms for that matter. The picture might shake a little, so just bear with me. So a few things I used to make this video are an Insignia USB-C to USB adapter. We have right here. An Android phone, right here. Keyboard, USB, and a Microsoft Bluetooth optical mouse. Now the mouse I got at Best Buy for about $20. The adapter I picked up also at Best Buy for about $10. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our phone and our adapter. I'm going to get rid of this. And what we want to do is we want to plug our USB-C end into the USB-C port of our phone. All right, now that that's plugged in, next we want to take the other end from our keyboard and we're going to plug that into the USB female side of our adapter. Okay, now that's hooked up. Now something I did earlier, I already paired the mouse with the phone, so as you can see here, I think you can see that. Yeah, pointer's moving on the screen. Okay, now back to the next step here. What I want to do is I want to pair this with the television, or cast it, that is. So it just takes a few minutes to connect now. As you can see, it's now connecting to the phone. Ta-da! Alrighty. So now we're going to bring up our game. Now, we can use our mouse to play the game. Also, we can even use our keyboard to control the game. Now, if you have multiple Android devices all connected to the same network, you can also have other people join your game. There we go. So now I can use the mouse. I can dig. Using the keyboard, I can move forward, backwards, left, right. Heck, I can even jump, I think. There we go. So, that pretty much takes care of turning my phone into a game console. Looks beautiful, and I can see it. Oh, one other thing I thought was kind of neat. Hang on. Let me exit out of some of this stuff. Kind of a lot easier having a keyboard to do this versus trying to use all the touch screen. Disconnect. Actually, let's get out of our casting. Alrighty. Disconnect our keyboard. Oopsie. There we go. All right, so now, let's say for some reason you don't have a Bluetooth headset, or you're like me, you just don't want to break down and buy one. But what you do have is you've got a regular old wireless headset that would plug into, say, like a, like a computer. So what we can do, same thing. We take our USB-C to regular USB adapter, and we take our wireless dongle, and we hook everything up. All right, now that it's all hooked up, now we want to bring up our music program. That might take a couple minutes for this thing to connect, but should be able to hear the sound through the speakers now. There you go. Hey, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.